another video about me. And before you watch this video, smash that like button and subscribe and hit that bell. And to see me come out. You did it!
Yeah, I saw you.
And this is the new Megazord, Beast-X. It has armor on. See? Armor from the head. And it has armor on the chest. See?
How about Annie's? What is Annie's?
Let me see. Adventure Force.
Goes firefighter. Firefighter.
She can say firefighter.
Yeah, it's a fire truck, right?
Yeah.
That one. Okay, which one we can open first?
This one.
Mine's. How about both?
How about let's open Victor first, Annie, okay?
Let's open this gigantic Megazord. And I have the scissors.
Alright, let's open it. Be careful, okay?
Yeah.
You need help, let me know, okay?
And it has...
Can you get it out?
I have to pull out... Wait, I have to pull out the box. I think I can do it. The sword is cool. You know what's cool about this sword?
You take it out first. Alright.
On the first sword first.
Alright, Annie, take the sword for now, okay? Take it out.
Wow!
It's so tall.
It's so tall, it's almost taller than the table, I think.
Look.
It's like made of everything else. Now it's all ready.
Yes.
What?
Where's the sword? Oh, Annie, can you put the sword to his arm? To see how it look. Alright. Victor, can you help Annie?
Yeah. Wait. Anya, let me try.
Cool.
He can do this.
Yes. He can move his arm, right? Cool now.
If we had an army of stuff, we could have pretend that like this is fighting something. And it's so cool. The
Can he
blade-
move his leg?
Can you move his leg? I
Yeah.
don't know. No, you can't.
Cool. Is it heavy? It's heavy, right? And it's big too.
Not that heavy.
Wow.
Agrees.
Can you turn him around so I can see?
Yeah.
Good. Cool. Ah, it's moving the arms. Can you see the front again?
So you can just do this.
So he cannot move his leg at all?
No,
Stuck?
no.
Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes. You cannot move the legs, but you can turn him around.
Ah, I see. He can twist his body.
And you can move his head a little bit.
Cool.
I'm-
Alright.
Wait, stop. What if he can do this?
Victor, can Annie play too?
Yeah?
Alright, Annie, can you give it a try, okay? Can you face his face to Daddy, please?
Yeah.
Alright, Annie, you can play. See?
It's so fun.
Wait, how about...
Eh?
So he cannot move that much. But I like him. He's look very cool.
Yeah.
Like a very good model.
It's so gigantic.
I like the
Look.
contrast between the blue and the yellow. And the red.
Look how tall it is.
Yes, Very
It's
tall.
bigger than me when
I'm not.
I'm almost standing up and it's taller.
I'm not.
See, it's so tall.
What's up, Annie?
I'm not tall.
It's taller than Annie? No, Annie taller. Annie, can you stand up? See? Annie taller.
Yeah, but only a little bit. But the ears count.
Okay, let me look close up to see how look he look close, okay? That. Cool. Very cool. Let me touch to see how the plastic look like. Oh, the plastic look rigid. Good quality plastic. I think it's gonna last very long. Alright, Victor? Do you like your robot?
Oh, what's that for? Oh.
Say the name of this robot again, Victor. What is the name?
Beast-X Megazord.
Power Ranger, right?
Yeah, you should watch Power Rangers to see the gigantic robot that they use.
I watched it when I was little. That's my favorite cartoon.
Yeah.
Victor, can you turn the robot around for Daddy slowly so that he can get all angle to show to your friends? Cool. Very good.
Oh, but I'm going.
Yeah.
I'm going.
You're just turning around. Alright. I think we're done with yours. How about Annie? Let's do Annie.
Yeah!
Alright.
I just.
I have him next to me.
What is Annie's again? Fire
Adventure
truck?
Force.
Yeah, 5.
Adventure Force utility vehicle. Fire truck, right, Annie? Alright, Annie, you can open your box.
I'm gonna get.
Where are the scissors?
This is here.
Victor, help your sisters, okay?
Wait, can I do it?
Yeah.
You're gonna get her.
Alright, thank you, Victor.
And you have to be very careful because you might cut something off of it that has to be there.
This guy.
Hey, can you?
Hey, come back.
Wait, no.
Wait, no.
Is it ready yet? Ah,
Annie, help Victor. Help Victor, Annie. Put off on the box.
Come. Come.
oh. Take it out. Come here.
Annie, hold the box for Victor, okay? And Victor pull the trucks out. Ah, coming out.
It's coming out. It's just one.
Annie, can you take the box out? Thank you.
And I'm gonna take this out.
Almost out, Victor.
Is there something?
Annie, hold the box for Victor. Something underneath?
Yeah.
Twist it, I think. Yeah.
And then
Ah, good.
And
Good job, Annie. It's finally out. Okay. Let's see what this can do.
can I try?
Huh. Which button to make the sound?
this one.
Which one? There?
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
What does this do?
Cool.
Let me.
Huh. Annie, can you show Daddy the first button? Yeah. Ah. How about the second one? Huh. the third one. Cool. Last one, the fourth one. Very cool. So So each button have different sounds, right?
And I know what it can do.
Alright, let's help to demonstrate how it can do, okay?
Fire.
And you can take out the fire. Take out the fire.
Alright, wow.
Yes.
You can do that too. Pull all the way, Victor, pull it all the way. Wow. That's all the way already?
No.
Okay.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Look on this side. And it's stop. Look on this side.
Yeah.
You can open the door and then you can put someone in and then close.
Annie, do you like your truck?
Yeah.
Huh.
Cause open it.
It look like the real one, right?
Yeah. I can even see med kits.
See what?
Med kits that help people.
Yes, yes.
You know these kinds? Those kind of ones?
What is it?
Med kits, like, you just like use them to heal people.
Oh, I do not know that. I think Annie likes her truck a lot. Be careful, Annie, you're gonna break it. Ooh. What's that red thing on the top?
That's the hose when they just spray it out on the fire.
Ah.
So they need this because how are they gonna take the fire out if it's a firefighter? They're supposed to take out fires. So they can take this and then just take the fire out. And they need this because they can just take people in.
From the tall building, right?
Yeah, and take them out for safety, so they don't get hurt, so they don't need to jump off or just go down the stairs, go in the hallway, and go down. They can just
What's the ladder?
hey,
What's the
and then
ladder?
they come down and then they put the water on the fire.
Alright.
And this is how they do it better.
Oh!
It's very tall, right?
I see.
And they can just
Fire.
do it higher.
Okay.
So now we have 2 new toys in the house. Annie, how do you feel about it? Good?
Yeah.
Annie, you like your fire truck?
Yeah. I let people together.
And
Right.
like my ginormous robot, it has sword. It has a helmet, a chest plate, so much cool stuff.
Alright.
So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Annie, say bye.
Bye.
Very good. You guys can keep playing with your toys, okay?
I